carried storms without a light. Every wound became my flame, every loss engraved my name.
Through the fire, through the pain, I learned to rise again and again. Fear was dust beneath my stride. Strength was born where tears had dried.
We rise, we heal, we stand again. From shattered roads to brighter plains. No crown above, no throne to claim. Just hearts unbound and souls untamed.
We rise with honor in our chests. We walk the path of what is best. No voice above the truth we keep.
No power higher than the weak. From a land of sorrow's flame, I built my life, reclaim my name. Stone by stone, I shape my way, turn darkest nights to brighter day. A family born from hope, not fear. A world I dreamed is finally here. Not built on praise or hollow fame, but justice, truth, and equal flame.
No more shadows ruling men. No blind devotion ever again. We rise as equals, hand in hand. A noble, free, unbroken land. We rise as equals, hand in hand. A noble, free, unbroken land.
We rise, we heal, we stand again. From shattered roads to brighter plains. No crown above, no throne to claim. Just hearts unbound and souls untamed.